Quantum space is a complicated idea that scientists are still trying to understand. It has to do with how space works at very tiny scales, like the size of atoms and smaller. In normal physics, space is like a big empty room where things happen, but in quantum physics, scientists think space is more like a squishy thing that can change and move around. This idea is called quantum space. In a theory of quantum gravity, scientists believe that the space itself is made up of tiny building blocks, like toy blocks that can fit together to make a bigger thing. Scientists are still trying to figure out how all these tiny blocks fit together to make the space we see around us. So, quantum space is a kind of space that scientists are still trying to figure out and is different from the kind of space we see in our everyday life. 3 tricks in quantum space that you should know about. Quantum space is a really cool and mysterious idea that scientists are still trying to figure out. But here are some tricks or things that happen in quantum space that scientists have observed. Quantum entanglement. This is when 2 tiny particles, like atoms or electrons, become connected in a special way. Even if you separate them by a really long distance, they can still affect each other. It's like they have a secret way of talking to each other that scientists can't explain. Quantum tunneling. Imagine a particle, like an electron, is stuck in a box. According to normal physics, the particle should be stuck in the box forever. But in quantum physics, sometimes the particle can just disappear from inside the box and reappear on the other side, like it was passing through the walls. This is called quantum tunneling. Quantum teleportation. This is when scientists can move information about a particle from one place to another without moving the actual particle. It's like sending an email or a text message, but instead of sending letters, you're sending information about the state of a particle. These phenomena are strange and not fully understood yet. They make quantum physics quite different from the physics we observe in our daily lives. Top 5 Ant-Man. There have been several characters who have taken on the mantle of Ant-Man in Marvel Comics, so it can be difficult to narrow it down to a definitive top 5. However, based on popularity and influence on the Marvel Universe, here are 5 notable Ant-Men from the comics. Hank Pym. The original Ant-Man, Hank Pym, is a scientist and inventor who discovered the Pym particles, which allow him to shrink down to the size of an ant. He also went on to become Giant Man and the villainous Yellow Jacket. Scott Lang, a reformed thief who becomes the second Ant-Man after stealing the suit from Hank Pym. Scott Lang is a fan favorite and often appears in comics and other media as Ant-Man. Eric O'Grady, a low-level SHIELD agent who discovered Hank Pym's Ant-Man suit and uses it for his own personal gain. O'Grady was the third and less-known Ant-Man. Nadia Pym, the daughter of Hank Pym and Janet Van Dyne. Nadia is a brilliant scientist in her own right and becomes the 4th Ant-Man. Cassie Lang, the daughter of Scott Lang. Cassie becomes the superhero Stinger following in her father's footsteps after he gave her his suit. Attention all Marvel fans. Are you ready for the next thrilling adventure in the Ant-Man franchise? Get ready to shrink down to size and join Scott Lang, Hank Pym, and the rest of the gang in the highly anticipated film QUANTUMANIA. We cordially invite you to join us for the premiere of this epic movie, where you will witness the return of your favorite characters and the introduction of new ones. The event promises to be an unforgettable night, packed with action, comedy, and a whole lot of fun. Don't miss out on the chance to be among the first to see QUANTUMANIA and experience it on the big screen. Mark your calendars and stay tuned for more information on how to secure your tickets for the premiere. See you there. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified of our future videos. Leave a comment below and let us know what you want to see next. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.